I'm Mike, the real Firestick guy of Philadelphia. This is my job and I take it seriously. I make sure that you can watch all of your favorite channels whenever you want to watch them. Each Firestick that is purchased comes completely programmed by yours truly. When you call or text, I respond. Firesticks are very simple to set up. As long as you have Wi-Fi and an HDMI port on your TV, then you're good to go. My Firesticks come completely set up. All you need to do is connect your TV to Wi-Fi to start enjoying your new TV. And you can have access to live TV, sports, pay-per-view, new and old TV shows and movies, movies now playing in theaters, fitness movies, international channels, and kids channels. Adult videos are also available at no extra charge. I can also reprogram any Firesticks or Android boxes that you might have, as well as update or do fresh installs. Feel free to contact me at any time, call or text at 267-982-1086. That's 267-982-1086. I program each Firestick and provide my services to buyers of all devices that I sell. I'm Mike, the Firestick guy.